Good afternoon. I am Sumit Kela from Net Protector Antivirus Pune, from Pune, India, and I've come all the way to meet you guys at New Delhi. Thank you for hosting us here today. So, am I getting a mic? Okay. So, I am a software engineer. I've been a gold medalist in computer engineering. So I'm doing research in cybersecurity for last 25 plus years, and I'll be presenting here about our company and our products. So, check. Hello. So that was me, Sumit Kela from Net Protector Antivirus Pune, npav.net, and we are serving our nation. We are a totally 100% make in India solution. And first, we'll watch the AV, and then I'll summarize at the end what we are doing. You can start the video. So as you all know,
You are a soldier, and this is war.
A soldier's job is to protect the nation from all kinds of threats.
Just like Net Protector Antivirus, the cybersecurity defense expert that safeguards every classified information from all kinds of cyber attacks with its real-time threat detection technology.
Secure your data and devices with Net Protector Antivirus.
Those images featured HRX and NTR recommending our cybersecurity solutions. Honored by the Minister of Energy in the presence of the Deputy Chief Minister of Gujarat for Enterprise Security and Data Protection.
Economic Times Award, then Times Power Brand Award, AV Test Top Product Winner, April 2026, VB100 certified, 33 years in cybersecurity and Make in India. That's NPAV Net Protector. We have fantastic products in AI Insight, Secure Token, and fantastic products. List of our customers. We are working with defense and very large organization and government all over India. We have working with all the high profile defense, and we'll start with a demo of our product called Krypton Secure.
Data on employee PCs is one of the most critical assets today. Passwords protect email, banking, GST, and accounting systems, but they are often weak, reused, and easily compromised. They can be cracked, stolen using tools, or saved in browsers and remote sessions. Our BI cybersecurity guidelines require strict access control, including MFA, role-based access, and regular audits. Net Protector, with 33 plus years of cybersecurity expertise, offers an advanced solution for secure login protection. Krypton MFA combines hardware plus software plus AI security with biometric authentication, automated password policy, encrypted access control, and real-time threat detection. Ideal for BFSI, accounting, payroll, and sensitive business systems.
That was our product, Krypton Secure MFA token. And you can come to our stall to see that. Next is AI Insight. That is very important nowadays. How data is getting leaking out.
Picture this. An international enterprise with a booming sales team. To hit their targets while staying secure with Krypton Enterprise AI Insight, the sales reps need data, specifically price and sales trends buried deep inside the company's centralized MongoDB server. To speed things up, they started using AI chatbots to write Python scripts. It worked. They got their data, but it came with a massive hidden cost. In feeding schema details and queries to public AI models, confidential company data, proprietary pricing structures, and internal sales trends were being leaked outside the corporate firewall. Suddenly, the CISO, the CISO, was facing a nightmare scenario. the CISO had a delicate balancing act to pull off. How do you stop the sales team from using AI to generate Python code and query database infrastructure without stripping away the AI tools they rely on every day to draft client emails, sales messages, and follow-ups? Total restriction would kill productivity. Total freedom would kill security. The answer isn't a blanket ban. It's smart, context-aware AI governance powered by Krypton Enterprise AI Insight. By implementing specialized data loss prevention or DLP gateways for AI, the company successfully blocked code generation prompts and database schema uploads. Meanwhile, they kept the creative pipelines open, allowing the sales team to safely use AI for communication and outreach. Security intact. Productivity unlocked. Krypton Enterprise AI Insight is how you handle modern shadow IT.
That was Krypton Enterprise AI Insight, which blocks all data leakages through AI in the enterprise network. Next, we have ZTNA, Krypton Zero Trust Network.
Think about your company's network security. When your team or vendors access critical systems from outside the office, are you forcing risky trade-offs? Traditional VPNs do one thing. They open the entire house and just hope for the best. One login exposes your whole network, not just one resource. Worse yet, temporary permissions get granted and quietly pile up because nobody remembers to revoke them. In fact, roughly 80% of hacking breaches involve stolen or weak credentials. A password alone is no longer a safe gate. It's time to stop trusting the network blindly. Welcome to Krypton Zero Trust Network Access built by NPAV Biz Secure Labs. Krypton applies strict zero trust principles to every single access request. The rule is simple: never trust, always verify. Instead of opening the floodgates, Krypton opens exactly one door for one person for one specific time window and then automatically locks it behind them. Here is how Krypton changes the game in 4 simple steps. First, we verify identity. Users log in with a password plus a one-time code sent to WhatsApp or email tied strictly to their approved IP address. It's just like an ATM. Your card alone isn't enough. You need the PIN. Second, it's least privilege access. Users pick exactly one server and a time window, say 30 minutes. They only see what they are explicitly granted. Think of it like booking a meeting room online for a specific hour. Third, instant mobile approvals. The administrator gets a notification on their phone and approves it with a single tap. The door opens instantly, just for that user's IP. Fourth, automatic revocation. The moment the time window ends, access is pulled automatically. Like a self-locking hotel door, nothing is left open by accident. Whether it's emergency admin access from home, time-bound web permissions, or managing third-party vendors, Krypton replaces slow firewall changes with instant, supervised control. Plus, you get complete end-to-end encryption and a full audit trail so you know exactly who accessed what and when. Standing access is a massive liability. Protect your production servers, databases, and critical systems today. Open the door only when needed. Close it automatically. Secure your environment with Krypton ZTNA. Visit www.npav.net/ZTNA or reach out to our team at sales@npav.net to schedule your demo today.
That was ZTNA, Zero Trust Network, Krypton ZTNA. And we'll move on to the next product. That's data loss prevention. That's very important in today's scenarios. So let us look at.
In today's corporate environment, maintaining total control over your sensitive data is critical. Internal risks like unauthorized file transfers, accidental leaks, and unmonitored user actions put your organization at risk every day. Meet Krypton Endpoint DLP, your comprehensive solution for total data loss prevention. Krypton DLP delivers robust browser monitoring to oversee all web-based activities and prevent data exposure. It enforces strict upload restrictions to block and report unauthorized file sharing on unapproved websites and automatically captures screenshots during suspicious activity. For communication channels, email protection monitors outgoing messages and restricts email access to authorized platforms like Outlook and scans attachments for potential risks. Furthermore, download monitoring and file control track and restrict the download of specific file types, such as executables or compressed files, to block unapproved content. Beyond the web, device control and peripheral control manage and restrict access to external hardware like USB drives and printers, preventing unauthorized data copying. The system even monitors and restricts Bluetooth file transfer to block unauthorized wireless data exchange. Inside your infrastructure, Drive Monitoring continuously oversees all activities on local, external, and network drives, with comprehensive tracking of file movements and deletions. To secure your local assets, Folder Lock Protection offers customizable security options to lock and protect files and folders from unauthorized modification. Krypton DLP also includes advanced data classification, automatically identifying and labeling files through content analysis and keywords for precise control, while allowing manual tagging to ensure total control. It scans for sensitive data such as credit card details and personal identifiers to ensure continuous protection. To prevent physical or visual data leaks, print screen blocking restricts the use of the print screen function entirely. Printer activity is fully monitored and logged to prevent unauthorized physical documentation, and watermark printing subtly embeds secure backgrounds into printed documents to protect against counterfeiting and unauthorized reproduction. Krypton Endpoint DLP applies artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques to identify sensitive data, recognize suspicious behavior, and reduce false positives. Intelligent content detection identifies sensitive data across files, web, email, and clipboard with greater accuracy, finding risky data humans and rules miss. Behavioral anomaly analysis learns user patterns to flag unusual transfers and potential insider risk in real time, surfacing threats before data leaves. Adaptive threat recognition continuously refines detection as new patterns emerge, while context-aware analysis minimizes analyst fatigue by reducing false positives. Every action is backed by comprehensive activity logging, maintaining a detailed audit trail of website visits, form submissions, and policy violations for auditing. When unauthorized access is detected, interactive alerts send real-time warnings to users, enabling users to take immediate corrective action. Meanwhile, the screenshot facility and image capture automatically log visual evidence of policy-violating actions, providing visual evidence for streamlined compliance reporting. Protect your corporate intellectual property and ensure complete compliance. Secure your organization today with Krypton Endpoint DLP. Visit kryptoneb.com to get started.
And that was the Krypton data lace.
Protect your financial institution with a comprehensive security and compliance framework designed for the modern landscape. Our AMDR services provide 24/7 threat monitoring and incident response through our MSOC, while PIM and PAM solutions secure privileged access. We simplify compliance management, ensuring your organization aligns perfectly with RBI, SEBI, and IRDAI cybersecurity requirements. Stay ready for DPDP with our robust data protection solutions, featuring DLP to prevent leakage and Krypton for advanced discovery and classification. Key benefits include continuous threat detection, privileged access security, and full regulatory support to drastically reduce cyber risks and insider threats. Secure, comply, and protect. Empower your BFSI organization with our specialized security and compliance solutions today.
So that was our product range and many more products, and that's my profile. that's my biodata, you could say. So that's my mobile number, and if anybody wants to connect with our directors, you can scan this and connect and follow us on LinkedIn. Okay, so that was the presentation. I would like to make it a little interactive. So how many of you feel that Indian quiz question, do you know who is head of Microsoft? Anybody can answer? Head of Microsoft? Indian person, right? Satya Nadella. Satya Nadella. Who's head of Google? Sundar Pichai, right? Sare Indian hai. Who is the head of the, who's the CTO? This is a new one, new question. Who is the CTO of the AI company Claude? Anthropic Claude, everybody must have heard of Anthropic Claude, right? So do you know who is the CTO of Anthropic Claude? So there is an Indian, right? So good, very good answer. So Indian, Mr. Patil from Maharashtra is the CTO of Anthropic. So everybody knows that Indians are great brains. Indians are doing great stuff. So likewise, we are an Indian born company, and all the data of the organizations are hosted in India. Our totally engine is made in India. It's a 100% make in India product. So are we capable to deliver a cyber security that we don't have to rely on the foreign companies? Do you agree with me that Indians have great brains? We are ruling the Silicon Valley of America by the Indian brains. It's run by the Indian brains. So we have an Indian cyber security startup. We have an Indian cyber security company, that's us, Net Protector, protecting our nation. We are already deployed with a lot of, we have been tested by a lot of high profile organizations like the defense sector or the energy sector, and we are being tested very thoroughly. And now people don't want the foreign brands, they want to run on our own Indian cyber security, because we never know in war who will align with whom. आज पाकिस्तान के साथ कौन अलाइन हो रहा है और यूक्रेन के अगेंस्ट कौन अलाइन हो रहा है, कौन सा एंटीवायरस कौन से कंट्री का है किसको पता नहीं, कौन सा चाइना में डेटा जा रहा है किसका, वी डोंट नो. सो मेकिंग आत्मनिर्भर India, that is the vision of our government. Also, as you know, in CCTV, there are a lot of Chinese brands out there. Now India has become very strong. Nahi, make in India karna hai aapko. So similarly, NPAV.net, Net Protector is our make in India brand. 33 years in cyber security. And as you can see out here on the right side, can you get this on the stage, please? Yeah. So we are, you will say our Indian product hai, to foreign ke to product bahut अच्छे रहते हैं. So we are AV Test top product. AV Test is a German institute which checks all the antivirus of the world. And April, May, and there's one more out there, yes. So our logo is Made in India, certified for world-class excellence. So you can rely on us. You don't have to rely on any external or foreign antivirus for your biggest enterprise. We are being used by the Air Force, by DRDOs and ADEs, and a lot of very high-profile customers who have tested our product. The scientists have compared us with all the top foreign names. I don't want to give the names out here. So we have gone through a rigorous testing by the very critical scientists, and they have selected us. So you can rely on us for your enterprise cyber security, and all the data, the advantages, the data stays in India. It stays on Indian, and your money goes to the Indian government and the whatever developers and all make in India. So we also have this VB100, that is a very rigorous testing. So as we all know that Indian softwares are the best brains, Indian brains are very good. So this is an Indian product out here, which you can sell to your corporate customers, defense customers, enterprise customers, banks, and we got fantastic solutions right from XDR, EDR, DLP, ZTNA, and whatever the best things. And our main goal is to give you the best services. We don't go on the marketing, we don't go and sign up big stars like some big stars on the TV. Like we don't feature on Kaun Banega Crorepati and spend millions of money on that. We give you the fantastic products which have got best quality and best solutions, which you can rely on us. And they'll be delivering very pure technology. You can come to my stall and take my number for any kind of technology support. And our team and my director Preeti Kela out here, she can also stand, and Patnaik Sarji. Patnaik Sarji also please come on the stage. We've got 57 seconds allowed from VAR India to complete this. So Preeti Kela madam And Patnaik Sarji and Amit from our team will give you the best service and best support. That's our challenge. It's our pledge to our nation. We are the protectors of the protector because we are protecting our nation from all these kind of cyber threats from China. We are collaborating very deeply with all the cyber security organizations within the government, cyber crime and all that. So this collaboration is very important that the industry stalwarts like all of you here, you can also collaborate with us for any kind of projects in cyber security and AI. I am a software engineer. Even Preeti over here, she's my wife and also a director. And we have 2 more directors. So 4 of us are all into the software. Even our second generation, they're all software engineers. So I thank to Delhi for having us here. I thank Wire India, Deepak Sarji for the fantastic arrangements here. It was a fantastic event. We had a CISO conclave in Ahmedabad. We are having one in Mumbai. So thank you for this awesome, and all of you are all intelligent and fantastic people here. So for one last thing, 1 minute, everybody please stand up and let's say Jai Hind for our nation. Just a request for all of you, sir. So I'm going to say Jai Hind and you have to follow me. I'm going to say Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Vande. 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 Thank you.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much.